In this video, we look into SQL Q&A part 18. Question 1 would be compare two numbers and if first number is greater then print yes, else no. So we use IIF, select IIF of 10 greater than 20. 10 is greater than 20, print yes, else no. So if I execute this, in single quotes, execute, so it is printing no. So compare two numbers and first number is greater than print yes, else no. So this IIF will check 10 is greater than 20 or not. If it is true, then it will print the first this one whatever the characters you give here, and otherwise it will print the second parameter. So IIF will take three parameters, and if it is true it will print this parameter, else it will print this parameter. So 10 is not greater than 20, therefore it has printed no. Now question 2 would be unique column. This is a unique column. Let's look into this unique column. Create table called basics dot dbo dot test1, and we'll have name is unique and null. We'll have this varchar of 50, and it is unique and null. So let us execute this. Right click tables, and refresh. Test one should be created here, and name varchar of 50. Now let us insert into this SQL basics.dbo.test1 values A, and we can check that with this query. So let us insert this and then select star from SQL basics.dbo.test1. A has been inserted. So now if I want to insert A again, I want to go and insert A again, we get the violation of unique key constraint. Cannot insert duplicate key in object dbo.test1. The duplicate value is A. Because we have declared this as a unique column, it won't take the duplicates and it will take only one null value. So that's the reason why it is showing that unique violation of unique key constraint, and only one A is there in the table. Now let us drop this table test1, drop table SQL basics.dbo test 1. So now question 3 would be, find the third and fourth highest marks. So we have this table marks here in SQL Basics. Let us say select star from SQL Basics dot bbo dot marks. So let us select these marks. So we have these marks here, and now let us order by descending. Marks descending. So if we have this marks descending, let us take just the marks part. For this marks 1980, 70, 60 and null. So we want the third and fourth highest marks. So for that, let us take the distinct marks, because marks are repeating. So we'll take the distinct marks. So we got 90, 80, 70, 60 and null. The third and fourth highest marks would be 70 and 60. So for that, we'll say here offset 2 rows. Offset 2 rows means the first 2 rows will be not considered. That is 90 and 80. Fetch, write it down. Fetch next 2 rows only. So offset 2 rows will not consider 90 and 80, and fetch next 2 rows will be 70 and if I execute this, 70 and 60. Those are the third and fourth highest marks. Here third highest mark is 70 and fourth highest mark is 60. So that's how we can use the offset and fetch next to get the required rows. Next question would be find duplicate rows. Question 4, find duplicate rows. So we have this table duplicates here. So let us see what columns are there here. ID, first name and last name. So select ID, first name, comma last name from SQL Basics dot bbo dot duplicates. So now let us see what is there in this table. So there are duplicates. 1 James Smith is a duplicate, and 2 David Warner, and 3 Karen Jones. So we have to find these duplicates now. For that, what we have to do is, let us take the same query and we'll add count of stars. How many are there? We'll just name it as n, and we will group by. When you are grouping by ID, first name and last name, ID, first name and last name will be one group, and if there is a same record again, then you will get the number incremented. This count of star will be incremented. Group by ID, first name, comma, last name. I'll just order by the same thing also. ID, first name, last name. So now if we see the count of star, let's execute till here and see, we get here 2. That means this one James Smith, there are 2 records for this group of ID, first name and last name. So these are the duplicates. We can just take it in a CTE and say where n is greater than 2, greater than 1, then we'll get this duplicate record. With CTE as, and we'll close this here and we'll remove this order by. You can't have an order by when you're taking it in a CTE, so select star from CTE where n is greater than 1. Now if I execute this, so we got this duplicate record, one James Smith, which is occurring twice. So if there are the occurrence is more than twice, we'll get the number here a different number. If it is occurring 5 times, we get 5 here. That's how we can find the duplicates. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.